Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Greens on my Plate Cooking Recipes. Today let's make Semiya Upma, a very quick and tasty one pot recipe. The spices enhances the flavors and the vegetables enhances the nutrition value of this upma. This Semiya Upma does not require any pre-preparations. Here I have used wheat bambino vermicelli. Let's get started. Here I have used 3 cups of vermicelli and dry roasted. Here's the vermicelli before dry roasting it. Add vermicelli to a thick bottom vessel and dry roast it in a medium heat. Do not add any oil since we are dry roasting it. After 2 to 3 minutes of dry roasting, the vermicelli slightly changes its color and becomes aromatic as well. And now roasted vermicelli is ready. Let's look at the ingredients. Quarter cup oil, 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoon cashew nuts, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon urad dal. Take a thick bottom vessel, add quarter cup of cooking oil. It can be a sunflower oil, coconut oil or canola oil. Once the oil is heated, you can add the mustard seeds, cumin seeds and allow it to sputter. It's time to add the urad dal, chana dal, cashew nuts and mix well. Cashew nuts can be replaced with the ground nuts which gives a very crunchy flavor. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I am adding ginger, garlic, chili and curry leaves. 1 cup chopped onions and mix well. Allow the onions to cook in a medium heat. Once these onions are half cooked, then we can add the vegetables. You can see the onions are half cooked. Add 1 cup of chopped carrots, 1 cup of chopped French beans, 1 cup of chopped potatoes, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes and mix well. I have included few frozen peas along with the French beans as well. It is completely optional. Now mix well until the vegetables are half cooked. While these vegetables are cooking, we can add 1 teaspoon of salt for taste and mix well. Cover and cook the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes in a medium. 1 cup of bambino, take 2 cups of water to cook completely. I am adding 6 cups of water since I have taken 3 cups of vermicelli. The ratio of vermicelli and the water is 1:2. Now cover and cook till the vegetables cook completely. Once the water starts boiling, now we can add salt. Here we have to add salt as per taste. Once the water starts boiling, we can add the salt and mix well. Now we can add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix well. Keep stirring occasionally. Now we can add 1 cup of chopped spinach. You can add different type of spinach. I have used a palak spinach here. You can add dill, methi leaves, a different spinach as well as per your taste and mix well. Allow the spinach to cook in the water. After 5 minutes of boiling, now we have to check if the vegetables are cooked well. Cut and check if the vegetables cut easily from the fork. It means the vegetables are completely cooked and it's time to add the vermicelli. Add the roasted vermicelli and bring it to a boil. Stir and cook so that the bottom doesn't become thick, and you can see after 2 to 3 minutes the vermicelli is completely cooked and the water is all drained well. It's time to garnish with some chopped spinach. Here you can see the perfectly cooked vermicelli. Few things that can be noted while making this one pot vermicelli upma is vermicelli can be roasted with or without oil. I have opted without oil. Do not add the vermicelli to a cold water. This makes the vermicelli half cooked. Always add the vermicelli once the water starts boiling. Add vermicelli to the water only when the vegetables are completely cooked. Do not add vermicelli when the vegetables are half cooked. Please check the description box for ingredients and method. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.